Dear student, today we are discussing one Ncert chapter for the class of 11, and the chapter name is Relation and Function. In this chapter, at first we are discussing some important law. After that, we are discussing the exercise of this chapter. In this chapter, this is the two set A and B, and the relation between A set to B set represent as the Cartesian product of AB. This is the A comma B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B, and this is the order pair. And you may write R this relation as A cross B, and such as A and B is an order pair, and A is coming from this set and small b is coming from this set. If A and B both are null set or void set or empty set, then A cross B also a null set or void set or empty set. So this is the primary idea about the relation between two sets and their elements. Now we move to the exercise section of this chapter, that is Relation and Function chapter. Now the exercise 2.1. Now the exercise 2.1 from the Ncert book. First question is, if x by 3 plus 1 and comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to this, then find the value of x and y. Since two are equivalent, first element will be this one and second element will be this one. So first element x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Now calculating we get x is equal to 2. Here also calculating we get so from the exercise 2.1, first question, the value of x and y, and here after calculating we get the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is a complete of first question. Now we move to the second question. Question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements and B has the element 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. A has a 3 element, suppose 1, 2, 3, and B is the element of 3, 4, 5. This is the element of B is given, and now A is say. Then find the element of A cross B. A cross B element. Now we know that A cross B means from the relation of first set, that is the A set, to the B set. And now taking the relation 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, this all. So the number of elements in A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total cardinality number of A cross B is a 9. This is the complete of question number 2. Now we move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is G is equal to the set G 7, 8, the two element, and H as an element of 3, 5, 4, 2. 3 element. Then find G cross H and H cross and H cross G. Now by the given conditions, G cross H means first element coming from G and the second element coming from H. By the order pair 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 7 is complete. Now 8, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. So the element of G cross H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the element of H cross G is first element coming from H, second element coming from G. So 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. The number of element of H cross G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, the cardinality number of G cross H is equal to the cardinality number of H cross G, that is the 6. But these two are not equal because 7, 5 is not present here and 5, 4 is not present here. So this is the complete of third. Now we move to the fourth questions. Question 4 says that state whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. The first question, P is a set and elements of P M N, and the element of Q N, M, and then P cross Q given that M, N, N, M. This is a true or false. So by our given condition, the solution, we are starting the solutions. Now P cross Q. P cross Q means the first element coming from P and the second element coming from Q. And the order pair M, N and M, M. M, N, this one, and M, M, this one. And now N, N and N, M. This is the correct representation of P cross Q. So these are not true. This is the false. Okay. So this is the complete of 1. Now we move to the 2. Question number 2 of 4. If A and B are two non-empty set, then A cross B is also non-empty set. And the ordered pair of A cross B x comma y, such as x belongs to A and y belongs to B. This statement is true by the definition of the ordered pair and the relation between two sets. So this statement is true. So 2 is complete. Now we move to the third. Now question number third of fourth is, if A is a set and the elements 1 and 2 and B is a set of element 3, 4, then A cross B intersection phi is equal to phi. This is a true or false. Now we're moving forward to the solution part. Now here phi is an empty set, so phi has no element. That is why, so B intersection phi is equal to phi. If this set is empty set, then the product of any set with this set, that is the empty set, will be empty set by the definitions. So this statement is true. Okay, this is the complete of fourth. Now we move to the fifth. Question number 5 said that A set and the element of A set is this. Then find A cross A cross A. Find. So by the definition, in the solution part, A cross A will be the element of -1, -1 and -1, 1 and 1, -1 and 1, 1. How? Because of -1, these are the two set, -1 and 1. So if we consider -1, then -1 and -1, this is the first element, -1 and 1 is the second element, 1 and -1 is the third element, 1 and 1 is the fourth element. This is the A cross A. Now if we multiply with additionally with A, then we get, this is the element with 1. So -1, -1, -1 and -1, -1, 1. So complete of this one and that one, this one and that one. And now -1, -1, -1 and -1, -1, -1. This is the complete of these two. Now we move to this one. And now 1, -1, then -1 and 1, -1 and 1. This is complete these two. Now we move to this one. 1, 1, -1 and 1, 1, 1. So this is a complete of A cross A cross A. And the elements are this one, 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 this one. Okay. So this is a complete of question number 5. Now we move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is the last and the final discussion of the day. Remaining part will be discussing next day video. Okay. So this is the last discussion of the day. Question number 6 says that A cross B is equal to the given this one, this one, this one, this one. Then find A and B sets. Dear student, subscribe the channel for more informations about the Ncert solution of class 11, class 12, class 10 and class 9. Now the question is A cross B is given. Then find the A set and B sets. By the definition of A cross B, the first element coming from the first, that is the set of A, and the second element coming from the second, that is the B. Now here the first element coming from the set of A, that is the A and comma B. So AB, so AABB is coming from the set of A, and the element of B is XY. So XY is the element is coming from the set of B. So this is a complete of the question number 6. Hope today's discussions help you to understand this chapter and you are prepared for the board exam as well as the competitive exam. This video enrich your knowledge about this chapter.